Alright, this is my bike check, of my bike, basically. Fit S3 frame. It's nice. Custom paint job. Want it to be red, cause I'm a blood. Red tires, other red tire, red letters. No, I'm playing. Actually, no. I don't know. I still have a red bike with red grips. I still have the grips, but I mean, I don't know. I just want a red bike, not necessarily blue. It's cool though. I like it. I don't hate it. Alright, here we go. We have the Animal Sway bars. Scavenger sticker. Do not judge me. ODI grips. I'm not sure which ones are these. Animal barns. See my S&M Redneck extra large stem, I guess you could say. Got the Fitzel. It's nice. Animal headset. We got the Primo Strand forks. They used to be white. I didn't like the white forks because it looked kind of like a cream color. Just looked really nasty. My rim. Let's see. We have Alienation Deviant black. I don't know. I like it, but I'm scared of it. I feel like I can break it. We have my Demolition Bulimia hub with my G Sport Gland hub guard. Fit FAF red wall tires, 2.30 or 3, whatever you want to say. Then we have the Odyssey 12 bolts, left-hand drive. Nice. Color's fading right here, whatever. It's a bike. It's meant to get scratched. Sprocky Balboa, 25 tooth. Eclat Surge pedals, black. They're nice and grippy. Shock Conspiracy Interlock V2 chain, or whatever it's called. And then in the back we have the G Sport roll cage with the G Sport ratchet. I like it better than the fucking Eastern Birectional faggot ass hub. And my pegs, Animal Light with the night rear hub guard and the pottery seat. Pretty cheap. Nice. And we have the McNeil wedge post. The reason why having a wedge post is because my bike has no brake mounts, or that, and it doesn't have the fucking seat clamp or something to tighten it, so I had to buy me a wedge post. Yeah, no brake mounts. See? It's kind of like the frame to fit the deck, except only thing is, somebody chopped down the brake mounts for me. They cut the seat tube a little bit, as you can tell. It's like short as fuck. By the way, my bottom bracket is the Shock Conspiracy. You can't tell because you can't see the bird, whatever. You know, got this bike from Walmart. Only 50 bucks. Actually, no, not really. Whatever. Yeah. Mi bicicleta. A little bit dirty, whatever. I don't know if I mentioned, but this is the Odyssey Aiken tire, 2.25. I don't know if I forgot. That's about it. My bike, light, so bright. Okay.